Welcome to the Clipper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to set or change work hours in Microsoft Teams. So to set work hours or change work hours, what you have to do is just go ahead and head to your Outlook. Yes, not from your Microsoft Teams. You just gotta open up your browser. Then from your browser on Google, just search for Outlook. Then just go to outlook.live.com. Just go to the website version of it. From here, just click on the settings icon over here at the top right. Then on the left side, just go to calendar settings. And after you're in calendar, make sure to go inside view. And from here, you can select your first day of work, your time scale, your working days, and your meeting hours from here. This is basically your working hours. You can set it however you want. So just make sure to select the days you work on, along with the meeting hours you're available for. And you can also change your time zone settings over here. You can also add a global calendar over here. But the main focus is this part. This is your working hours space. You can set it from here as you want. And basically that is it. And basically that is how to set or change work hours on Microsoft Teams. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe.